Today I am going to show you one of the most powerful organic remedies for dealing with stink bugs. But it does much more than that. This natural mixture also helps get rid of other unwanted pests like ants, aphids, cockroaches, slugs, and even mice and rats. Stink bugs may seem harmless, but they can cause serious damage both in the garden and inside your home. They feed on plants by sucking the juices from leaves and fruits, which quickly leaves vegetables like tomatoes and peppers deformed and inedible. Start with half a liter of hot water and add a bit of mint. Its strong, fresh scent naturally repels stink bugs, who avoid any area where they can smell it. Spraying this mix on windows, door frames, and plants creates a protective barrier without harmful chemicals. Mint is safe, easy to find, and simple to prepare. Next, add half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Its warm, intense aroma keeps stink bugs away and confuses their senses. The natural compounds in cinnamon act as a gentle but effective insecticide. Plus, it's safe for use around kids, pets, and plants. The final ingredient is natural soap. It forms a light coating on surfaces that disrupts the insect's ability to breathe, leading to dehydration. Because it's made from natural ingredients, it won't harm plants or the environment. At the same time, it helps clean dirt and residue from surfaces, making them less attractive to bugs. Let the mixture sit for a few hours, then strain it through a cloth. Add another liter of water and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray daily or as needed, and the insects will be gone in no time. Check out our next video, showing now on your screen. Thank you and see you soon.